Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure Windows 10 and your graphics drivers are up to date, then back up your save and config files. Once done, close overlays and antivirus that hook into the game and launch Samp. EXE using Run as administrator with Windows 7 compatibility. This prevents permission conflicts and legacy API mismatches. The reason is simple. Many crashes are caused by driver or access issues, so removing those variables lets you isolate the problem quickly. Next, verify the Samp client and GTA game files. Repair or reinstall if any file is missing or corrupt. Then force the renderer to DirectX or OpenGL, depending on what worked historically, and set the game process affinity to a single core to avoid sync issues. Also increase Windows virtual memory to about 1.5 times your RAM to prevent out-of-memory faults. These changes address corrupt data, renderer conflicts, and memory starvation that commonly cause report crashes. Finally, run the client with recommended launch flags like restrictions or widescreen to bypass problematic in-game checks. Make sure to test in a fresh Windows user profile to rule out per-user config corruption. If crashes persist, capture the crash log and install basic safe mode GPU drivers to test stability. Troubleshooting tip: if everything above fails, the single most useful step is collecting the crash log and testing with default drivers. That log usually reveals whether it's mods, drivers, or game files.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.